Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to add and how to remove the Google account on this watch. Before we start, if you want to add the Google account to your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Also, another thing to mention is that if you want to copy your Google account to your watch, you will need to have a Google account. Basically, you will need to be logged in into a Google account on your phone. And once you are logged in on your phone and your watch is paired with your phone, we can continue. And now we can go to our watch, press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. We can scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, we need to find the option called, I believe it's going to be Google, yeah, and tap on it. And here tap on accounts. And if you don't have any accounts right here, you will see empty list, but if you have accounts added to your watch, you will see the list of accounts right here. As you can see, we don't have any, so we can tap on add Google account, and you will see this pop-up. You need to tap on this icon. It will pop this on your phone that is paired with your watch, and basically it will show you the list of accounts you have saved on your phone, and you can select one you want to copy to your watch, and once you select it, you can tap on continue. And then you will need to enter the password for your Google account to confirm that it's yours. Okay, and once you enter the password, you need to tap on next. And after the thing disappears from the screen of your phone, you can wake up the screen on your watch and the account should appear right here on the list, which means it was added to your watch. And now you can use Google services on your watch like Gmail, Google Play Store and stuff like that. And if you want to remove the account, you basically need to enter this menu, the accounts menu. So you need to go to settings, Google accounts, find the list of the accounts, find the account you want to remove, tap on it, then tap on remove account and tap on the check mark to confirm to delete it, and the account will be removed from your watch. So you won't be able to use any other Google services once you remove the account. Okay, and that's how you add and how you remove the Google account on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.